Understanding, I pulled a muscle. A guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we make English language learning easy and fun. Today, we're going to explore a common English phrase that can be confusing for learners. I pulled a muscle. Stick around to find out what it means, when to use it, and how to avoid it happening to you. When someone says, I pulled a muscle, they're talking about a common injury where a muscle is stretched too far, leading to small tears in the muscle fibers. This can happen during physical activities, like sports, exercise, or even simple daily tasks. The phrase can refer to any muscle in the body, and it usually implies pain, discomfort, and a temporary limitation in movement. Using I pulled a muscle is straightforward. You can use it to inform someone about your injury, explain why you can't participate in a physical activity, or describe the cause of your pain. For example, I can't join the soccer game today. I pulled a muscle in my leg during practice. Be careful when lifting heavy objects. I don't want you to pull a muscle. This phrase is casual and commonly used in everyday conversations, especially related to sports or physical activities. Knowing the symptoms of a pulled muscle can help you identify this injury. These include sharp pain at the time of injury, swelling or bruising, weakness in the affected muscle, difficulty moving the affected area. Prevention is always better than cure. To avoid pulling a muscle, remember to warm up before engaging in physical activities. Stretch regularly to maintain flexibility. Increase the intensity of your workouts gradually. Listen to your body and rest when needed. We hope this video has helped you understand what it means to pull a muscle, and how you can use this phrase in your conversations. Remember, learning English is not just about grammar and vocabulary, it's also about understanding common phrases and their contexts. Stay safe, take care of your body, and see you in the next video.